single engine go around.
The purpose of this video is to demonstrate a single engine go around from a possible traffic on the runway or an unstable approach. In this case, we will conduct normal takeoff from Phongyen runway 04 at an altitude of at least 500 feet AGL. The instructor will simulate an engine failure. Takeoff power set, all green, no warning. $60. Rotate. Positive climb. Brakes, gear up. At an altitude of at least 500 feet AGL, the instructor will simulate an engine failure by pulling the power lever of the appropriate engine to idle, in this case the left engine. And the instructor will say engine failure. The student will respond engine failure, max power set, maintain directional control, landing gear up, flaps up, 85 knots. In this case we will say left dead foot, suspecting left engine failure, left engine power lever idle, left engine confirm. The instructor will say confirm, left engine master switch off, left engine confirm, confirm, simulated. We maintain VYSE 85 knots, and if able to climb, the student will maintain maximum continuous power set, 92%. In this case, because we are simulating, we will continue on a west traffic circuit. In case of an actual emergency, as per emergency briefing, we will conduct east traffic pattern in Phongyen. But being a simulated, we will conduct a west traffic pattern. We continue our turn on crosswind and we maintain 1,100 feet traffic pattern altitude. Airspeed on downwind will be 110 knots. Make sure to maintain the coordination by checking your slip and skid indicator. Rudder usage has to be correct, appropriate, and accurate. When on the downwind and everything stable, the student will call Phongyen Tower, or simulate to call Phongyen Tower by stating Mayday, 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 Apex 81 Phongyen Tower, engine failure, request immediate landing runway 04. Once received the clearance, we can conduct the approach briefing. Approach briefing, runway 04, full stop, flap 1 for landing, V reference 84, V approach 90 knots, or as required according to the wind. Abeam our touchdown point, we select flap 1. Airspeed becomes 100 knots. We maintain traffic pattern altitude. Reaching approximately 45 degrees angle from the touchdown point, we will turn base and we'll commence our descent to the runway. Approximately 45 degrees, start turning left, maintaining the coordination of the aircraft and remembering that every time we turn into we bank into the inoperative engine, VMC will increase. Airspeed on base becomes 90 knots. And when stable on base, we will put the gear handle down. Gear down 3 green, landing checklist, gear down 3 green, flaps 1, set for landing, rudder trim neutral, autopilot disconnect, landing checklist complete. On final, we see we are unstable, high on final, and not aligned with the runway. Airspeed is high, therefore, due to this scenario, we decide to conduct a single engine go-around. Go-around, max power set, only on the good engine. We simulate the left engine is failed. Immediately we put flaps up and gear up to reduce the amount of drag on the aircraft. Try to maintain the runway alignment. Continue climb and pitch for 85 knots, VYSE. If the aircraft is able to climb and maintain good climbing performance at 85 knots, the student can select to use power to 92% as maximum continuous power.